Hello everybody, welcome to the Pound Trader. I'll be making an analysis for the Pound USD for Monday the 12th of August 2024. So we're just starting over on the monthly time frame. Today I think I will just put my moving averages just so that, they can help me with my analysis a little bit. So I've been biased on the sell side for a long time. I sound like a broken record as per now, but yeah, I'm still on the sell side because I can see that we're still at the 61.8% fib, and we, as much as last month, the month of July, we kind of closed above, but it wasn't really I still think that we've closed below or within this level here, and I'm still hopeful that maybe this month we can start making some bearish candles so that maybe we can go for some sells, and then we'll know after that. But I think long term for me, I have been bearish on the Pound USD. Going over to the weekly time frame. So yeah, I also have my moving averages just to help me with some things. I can see that here last week's candle, we closed with this pin bar-ish, but it's not really a pin bar, it's like a bearish pin bar. And we have this strong level here still, and we can see that last week's candle did not close above this level here. So as much as the 20 EMA is there, I think that's why we're probably having some bullish pressure. And also I do have like a small trend line. So I think that, maybe we can have a reaction over here to start going for sells, but I really do not think that this level will hold, or rather I'm hoping that it won't hold so that I can get my sells. Okay, so going over to the daily time frame. So originally I had my trend line like this, but because this is the previous swing point, I normally drag my trend lines and move it because this was like the previous lower high. Is it? Yeah, lower high. Yeah, so that's why I've moved my trend line. And as much as it's 2 points and we do have like a bullish candle here, but for some reason, I don't really think that it's going to push like that far up, or rather I'm hoping that it doesn't push that far up. If I take my fib level, you will see why I have a zone highlighted, and we can see that we have the 38.2. And we have this very strong resistance level here that I'm hoping, honestly, I'm hoping that maybe price can just come to this level over here, and then maybe start, maybe hopefully break this trend line, break this level here, and then now look for those sells. This is pretty long term, but of course I'll try to look for intraday type trades. But yeah, currently this is what I would hope for. If at all it does end up maybe breaking out of this, maybe for like a double top or something, because we are still making higher highs. So I have to acknowledge that there is some bullish pressure, but maybe that would, but if it breaks past this one, then yeah, I really would not know what else would be happening. But yeah, I'm hoping for this level here, and that's why I also have highlighted it with this red rectangle situation. Okay, I'm hoping I'm making sense. So going over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the moving averages are crowding on this level here. Oh, and also just going back to the daily, we can see that we do have the 20 and the 50 EMA. And most of the times when price gets to the moving averages, there tends to be a reaction. So I'm hoping that, yeah, more confluence for it to react to over here to look for those sells. So yeah, just going back to the 4-hour time frame, we can see here that we are making lower lows and lower highs. If I take my fib, so here we're making lower lows and lower highs. We have a trend line. If I take my fib, we can see that price was reacting around the 78.6%. There was a bearish candle here, and price was still hesitant to break above. So yeah, I'm hoping that maybe this week we can get like some double, triple top situation here. But if it does end up breaking, then I'll be looking at this level to take my sells down. I hope I make sense. Also, let me know what you think as well, because yeah, this is just my bias. Okay, so this is last week. Normally I have like this. I normally move this this horizontal line just to see what was happening last week, but this was now what was happening last week. Last week's low, last week's high. So yeah, honestly, this week, what I would like to look for on Monday is probably like a triple top situation here with some bearish candles, and then maybe I might look for sells. But if not, if price does break above this level, then I'm hoping for lots of reactions around this level here. Yeah, I'm really hoping so, because last week was also still not a good week. Consolidation on Monday, consolidation here. Literally, I did not even have any entry because I was scared of taking this buy from here. Let's see how it looks like if I did take it. Yeah, but it's not a buy that made sense to me anyway, because I didn't think that it was going to pull back that far. So that's why I didn't take that trend. I mean, that trade. But yeah, I'm hoping this week will be better. It's been such a tough year, you guys. Please comment down below if you think that as well, because it's been hard. Okay, so just moving over to the daily dollar index, just to see what's happening. This is the weekly time frame. I think that we have a double bottom over here, and I can see that this is a point that I have on the trend line. So I'm really hoping that with the dollar, we just continue pushing up. I've just been bullish on the dollar, so yeah, I'm hoping that can also confirm, my sells on the pound. Scaling down daily time frame, you can see the double top clearly. Yeah, and I'm just hoping that we just push above this level here next week. Yeah, just to confirm. Let's see. Yeah, consolidation on the 4-hour, almost like a double top, but not really. So yeah, I'm hoping that this level here, the price just breaks above so that we can continue pushing up. Going over to the day Calyx, Calyx Forex Factory calendar. Okay, Monday, no news. Tuesday, we have 9 a.m. East African time because I'm based in Kenya. We have the pound, claimant count change, 3:30 p.m. We have some PPI news. And yeah. Okay, so I think that's the news I'll be waiting for. Stay tuned for my next video. Hopefully I should drop it on Tuesday, and we'll see what happens from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, please comment. Yes, please comment and let me know what you think, because this has been really confusing for me. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.